Hey friends, are you growing sweet potatoes this year in your garden? Well, hopefully you started your sweet potato propagation because as you know, sweet potatoes can take anywhere from 8 to 12 weeks to produce slips. I know. It's just crazy. They just take forever to grow, such a slow grower. But let's talk about my sweet potato garden and how I produce my sweet potato slips. So this sweet potato here, along with this odd-shaped beauty here, and this sweet potato here, I harvested from my garden last year, summer 2021. So I just, saved it and stored it away. And when the season come, set up the propagation station. So these sweet potato slips here, I harvested from this sweet potato maybe about 5 days ago. The tip is once you harvest the sweet potato slips, and you put the sweet potato slips in a own jar of water, plant that sweet potato back into the water, it will produce more sweet potato slips for you, okay? That's why you want to make sure you harvest your seeds, save your tubers, because you will always have an abundant supply of food, okay? Why go to the grocery store when you can grow your own and it's clean, okay? This sweet potato here is putting on a show. She's looking good. Not much to say about her. She probably will be harvested soon. I'll have a video on that so you can actually see how to harvest the slips from the potato. This sweet potato here is giving me the heebie-jeebies, okay? Heebie-jeebies. I don't know what's going on with it, but look, it has like these scales. The camera does not do it any justice, okay? It has this skeleton sensation thing going on. I don't like it. Oh, by the way, I don't have any toothpicks, so I just use these corn on the cob ear holders, and it worked just fine. This sweet potato right here, it was all plump and lush, and it had an eye, one of these little eyes growing, and then the eye died back, that shriveled up, and it looked like this, but it does have roots, so I'm just going to see what it do. I'm just going to leave it be, and we'll just see. This one here is also putting on the show. You can see some roots around the side. I probably fill that up with more water. But yes, you guys, this is how I start growing my sweet potato slips.